come under like position I'm holding, so nobody is even moving. We are here to celebrate International Yoga Day. We all know why is it being celebrated. 21st June is the longest day. I mean, that's what we've been reading in the science books. And in the northern hemisphere, the sun, overhead sun, that means the noon sun, it crosses Tropic of Cancer to the maximum, and after this the journey back starts. So particularly north where I come from, we see that now from 21st of June, this is downside from the highest point of summers, and it is considered an auspicious day also. And yoga, because it grew in Indian history, I mean very early history, because it is even recorded in Ayurveda and other ancient texts. Particularly I will mention Bhramari Yoga is the only exercise possible for the brain neurons. There is no way to exercise the brain neurons than the Bhramari Yoga. And there are researches going on, and medical community is certifying the benefits of yoga on the health. When we do our everyday jobs, so what we are working for, we are working for office, we are working for family, for children, for brother, sister, father, mother, everyone. But yoga gives us just 5 minutes of relief when we exist for ourselves. So it is just a way, when you observe Yoga Day, we just dedicate ourselves that as long as our body, our mind, our soul is perfect, we radiate positive energy. So if everybody around see challenges, ups and downs, difficulties, happiness, sadness, we all have those moments in our lives. But it is how we take that up and how we are able to conduct ourselves. So yoga actually gives that sense of self-confidence that come what may, whatever the situation is not going to remain so forever, and we can change it. So with these words, I again welcome all the participants here, and we hope to have a good session with Mr. Nayak, who will be teaching us certain nitty-gritties about yoga.
योगाचो प्रचार जावपाक जाय, आनी आज योगाची भुरग्यांक जर आपले जीवन जर स्वस्थ राखतलो जाल्यार आज योगा करपाचें खूब म्हत्व आसा. योगांतल्यान सगळे तरेचे एक्सरसाइज जाता, बॉडी फिजिकली एज वेल एज मेंटली. फिजिकली म्हणून आयज भुरगे खेळटात, हें करता तें करता, सगळें चालू आसता दीसभर, पूण भुरग्यांक मानसीक दृश्टींतल्यान भुरग्याचो विकास जावपाक लागून योगा करप ही खूब गरजेची आसा. आनी आज सगळ्या वर्ल्डान लोक योग, आमी इंडियेन योगाचे हे जाले, पूण आज आख्खो वर्ल्ड योगाचें इतलें म्हत्व आसा की आज वर्ल्ड योग डे आसा आनी जगभर आज योगा चालू आसा, आनी इतलें योगाचें म्हत्व आसा म्हणून आमी आज भुरग्यां मदीं, आनी दीस इज द रायट एज भुरग्यां भितर ती चालना हाडपाक लागून म्हणून आमी हो योग दिन वर्सान वर्स साजरो करतात.
Please take their place on the dais.
जी क्रिया इतली इम्पॉर्टंट आसा की आमी तेजे पूर्ण डिपेंड आसा. आनी सकाळी उठले नंतर आमची कितें आसता, बॉडी एक्टिवेट आसना, मायंड एक्टिवेट तितलो आसना, आनी न्हिदले तेन्ना आमचे भितर टॉक्सीक मायंडाक भरलेलो आसता, लंग्सांक भरलो आसता. सो ती पॅसेज आमी क्लीन करपाक लागून ही फर्स्ट क्रिया करता, जेका म्हणटा आमी श्वसन क्रिया. हांगा कितें करपाचें की फोर्सफूल एक्सेलेशन, पॅसिव इनहेलेशन, म्हणजे फोर्सफुली आमी श्वास भायर उडयतलो, ऑटोमॅटिकली श्वास येतलो, ती मुद्दम घेवपाची गरज ना. जस्ट क्रिया करून दाखयता बोलू. सुरू करूया. What is going on in the body? Take a deep breath, inhale लांब श्वास घ्या. कंट्रोल इट. रिलीज. एक्झेल. अगेन इनहेल. फील इट. टेक इट डीप. 2, 3, 2, 3. प्राणायाम जाता आमकां खबर आसना कॉन्शियसली बट ऑटोमॅटीक प्राणायाम जाता.